Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to install PictoBlox software in our laptop or computer and as well as in our Android devices like mobile and tablet. First I will show you how to install it in a desktop PC. So at first in the browser you open up or you type PictoBlox. Or you can use the link provided in the description. Click on the first link. It will open the PictoBlox web page. Now, why the PictoBlox software is used, or in what purposes you can use the PictoBlox? The PictoBlox is basically a block-based coding like Scratch. So this is purely for educational purposes, and using this software you can do lots of things, like you can create AI enable software, so you can learn AI using this one. You can detect face gesture, like whether the face has happy or sad. Most important thing is that it is work with Arduino boards, ESP32 and many other. And there are lots of courses also from which you can learn. So let's go above again. You will see here the download button. Click on the download button. It will automatically select the operating system which is installed in your computer. So my computer has Windows, so it will select on Windows. If your computer has Mac OS or Linux, it will automatically select that. So depending upon your machine, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, you click on this link. Now, how you will decide which version your computer may require? For that, you need to check your operating system version on the computer. To find the operating system version, you go here, type in the search bar, you type the or maybe this PC, and you right click here, you go to properties, or from here also you go to properties. So here you will find that my system type or my system uses 64-bit operating system. So that's why I will install this 64-bit. So click on this. You can give your name and email ID, or by clicking on this button, no thanks, you can install it. So you can see your download will start in the left side below part. So wait until it completed the downloading. Alright, now this PictoBlox has downloaded in our computer. It took lots of time, because if I go to download, I can see this one. So if you click on this, by clicking on this, you can install the PictoBlox in your computer. Or you can go to the folder also. From there also you can start installation. Windows Defender has captured a risk. Just let's see the app PictoBlox saying that it may harm or it may put our PC on risk, but don't worry, I think it's a secure software. Go to run anyway, but it is a trusted source from where I have downloaded. It is the official website of the PictoBlox, that's why it's okay. So it asks to select the destination folder. If you do not want to change it, then click in install. Yes, it is asked to install device driver. Click on install. If this occur, it may not appear in your computer also, or maybe some different version may appear in your computer. Okay, So this is a driver for USB port, which will help you to connect different devices with the software. Now let's finish. Okay, after opening this PictoBlox, it will open up with some tutorial which you can learn from here. So it will show how to select different object and how to select different code block from this section. These are some code block and script you will run here. Okay. Now I will show you how to install this PictoBlox in an Android device.
Now we will see how to install PictoBlox in our Android devices. So now it is very easy to download in your mobile or in tablet. Find a Play Store, open your Play Store in a mobile, then you search here by typing PictoBlox. Now it is very important to install any app from your app store because it is the trusted site for the mobile. So always use your Play Store to install the app. Do not use any third party which may contain viruses. So you click on the install and this will eventually install it in your mobile. So it will start downloading and it may take little time, so be patient. So now our PictoBlox software has installed in our mobile. To see the first look, you click on open, which will open this and this. That's how we will see the screen. So one little tutorial is given here how to use this software. You can learn from this how to do, and then this program can be upload to the development boards like Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, ESP32, Arduino Nano, etc. That's all for today. Thank you, and please like the video and subscribe the channel.